Dear students, Namaste. Welcome back to our mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed multiplication and division of numbers. In today's session, we will discuss rational numbers. Let's start. In the number system, we have learned different types of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. Okay, the first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers, otherwise known as counting numbers or counting numbers. Counting numbers means when we use for counting. The natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. otherwise are counting numbers when we use for counting. B. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole numbers. When we use 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. That means start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And third one, integers. Integers. Integers means negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, etc. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. These numbers are called integers. Every integer can be written as that number divided by 1. For example, minus 3, it can be written as minus 3 by 1. Or 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Or 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. That means numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. That numbers are called rational numbers. That numbers are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are of the form, can be written in the form A divided by B, where A and B are integers and the denominator A and B are integers and the denominator B not equal to 0. Rational numbers. Rational numbers for first chapter. Rational numbers. It is of the form A divided by B, where A and B are integers and B not equal to 0. Next, we will discuss standard form of a rational number. Rational numbers are written in the form of A divided by B, where A and B are co-prime integers and B not equal to 0. The standard form of a rational number. Rational numbers are written in the form of A divided by B, where A and B are co-prime integers and B not equal to 0. What is co-prime? Co-prime means two natural numbers that have only one as a common factor. For example, 2 divided by 3, 5 divided by 9, minus 4 divided by 11, minus 2 divided by 5, etc. The first example, 2 divided by 3. In 2 and 3, they have no common factors other than 1. Co-prime means two natural numbers that have only one as a common factor. Okay, these are the examples of rational numbers. Next, we will discuss different types of fractions. Different types of fractions. First one, proper fraction. fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Whose numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than its denominator. For example, 2 divided by 3, 4 divided by 10. These are the examples of proper fraction. Here the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3. The numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, numerator is small. Next one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction means this opposite. Whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than its denominator. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. For example, so opposite. 3 divided by 2, then 5 divided by 3, etc. Here the numerator is greater. Okay. Then the next fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, then mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, combination of a proper fraction it is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 3 by 5, then 7 9 by 10, etc. These are the examples of mixed fraction. It is a combination of a whole number. This 1 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. So it is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. These are the different types of fractions. Next, we will discuss comparison of fractions. Comparison means to find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Question: compare the following. Compare the following to find out which is greater. Which is greater? A 3 by 4, 5 divided by 8. 3 by 4 and 5 by 8, which is greater? Two methods are there. The first method, method 1. Here 3 by 4 and 5 by 8 are unlike fractions because these denominators are different. Here first denominator 4, second denominator 8. They are unlike fractions. First convert them into like fraction. So the method is we have to find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8. 4, 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Again 2, 1 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. So multiplying 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. The first fraction 3 divided by 4. Here the LCM is 8. So convert the denominator into LCM. So the denominator is 4. Okay. So multiply the whole fraction by 2. Is equal to 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 2. Is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now the denominator is 8. The second fraction 5 by 8. The denominator and the LCM are same. So write the same fraction 5 by 8. So the first fraction 6 by 8 and the second fraction 5 by 8. 6 by 8 and the second fraction 5 by 8. Which is greater? The denominators are same. So then we compare the numerators 6 and 5. Which is greater? 6 is greater, isn't it? So 6 by 8 greater than 5 by 8. The 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 greater than 5 by 8 is 5 by 8. So 3 by 4 greater than 5 by 8 because 3 by 4 is same as 6 by 8. By comparing 6 by 8 and 5 by 8, 6 by 8 is greater. So this is the first method. Otherwise, one more method is there. Method 2. 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. By applying cross multiplication. By applying cross multiplication. By applying cross multiplication. By applying cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 3 into 8. 3 into 8. Here 4 into 5. By applying cross multiplication. 3 8s are 24. 4 5s are 20. By comparing 24 and 20, which is greater? 24 is greater. So this is greater. 24 greater than 20. 24 means 3 into 8. So this side fraction. This side fraction is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than this side fraction 5 by 8. The answers are same. Option B, minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 6. Negative numbers. Okay. So I think method 2 is easy than method 1. Okay. So by applying cross multiplication, minus 3 by 4, here minus 5 by 6, cross multiplication, minus 3 into 6, minus 3 into 6 in the right side, 4 into minus 1, minus 3 into 6 in the left side, 4 into minus 5 in the right side. 16, 6 3s are 18. So here minus, plus into minus, we already learned minus. Then here minus 4 into 5, 20. So minus 18 minus 20. By comparing the positive numbers 18 and 20, 20 is greater. But here two numbers are negative numbers, minus 18 and minus 20, which is greater. Minus 18 is greater. By comparing the negative numbers, smaller number is the larger number. By comparing the negative numbers, smaller number is the larger number. So minus 18 greater than minus 20. Minus 18 means this side. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 greater than minus 5 by 6. Today we have discussed rational numbers. Prepare properly and note down your doubts. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you. Namaste.